Hello everyone. Another chess puzzle I'm going to share with you. The black king is here. Have two living square to move on. D5 and B5. This area, there is a queen. The direction for that, why? Forward like that. White first to move and black mate in two moves. So can you find a solution for that? You can pause the video and solve your own. I will back to you after a while. Alright. If he move his king, is a check by rook. For example, king move on e5, check by rook. Black answer, king to b5. Then, where is the checkmate for that? If he made a check on a4, still there is square to escape. Here, b6. So return to the position. Like that. How about the bishop? There is also a check. Bishop f7, check. Black answer, king b5. Then where is the checkmate for that? If rook h5, check. Still there is square to escape the black. On c6, there is no mate in two moves. Return to the position. There is also a check. Is bishop here. On d3, check. Black answer, move to d5. Then where is the checkmate for that? If he made a check, his rook to h5, still there is square to escape. Here, e6, so there is no mate. Return to the position. How about the queen? There is also a check on d3. For example, we use a queen as a first move. Queen to d3, check. Black answer, c5. Then where is the checkmate for that? If he made a check, his rook on h5, black king move on b6, then there is no mate in two moves. Return to the position. So we try already the bishop, the rook, he made a check. The direction for that, white or forward like that. White first to move and block mate in two moves. Now we are going to the right answer for that. The key move for that is rook h6. He didn't make a check. If king moved to b5, checkmate by bishop. Bishop d3, checkmate. If the king moved to d5, checkmate by bishop. Bishop f7, checkmate. So, that is the right move. Rook h6. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it to be updated on my upcoming video. I am uploading chess puzzle and viewing the beauty of nature. Thank you for watching.